welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the tailing redfish. The one that's my new logo, basically. I haven't put out any shirts. So the stuff you'll need for this video is going to be paper, this is what it'll look like at the end, pencil, and your markers. There'll be more, but don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Okay, first thing we're going to start for our, basically my logo, but with no letters, is going to be the tail, basically. So, we're just going to draw a little bump, then one that goes all the way up here. So it's like a 3 kinda, but kinda not. Then right here, we're gonna make a line that goes all the way to here, down there. It's gonna go to here, and then out. So it kind of looks like a triangle. Then you're not just gonna make it across. You're gonna make like weird lines, kinda, cause it's in the water. It's the tail. Then you're gonna draw like not a perfect circle, but you're gonna make a circle. 2 lines that go out from it, low line right here, then a line that goes to here, goes out, line that goes to here, then kind of like that. Then you want to make a line that's kind of like bumpy, line right here, one right there, one right there, just a lot of lines. Then you will need to make some like circles in some of these areas. And a line. There's a bunch of lines on the redfish tail for what I'm making. Then you want to make a line here that curves in. Then it like makes a curve. Then you're just going to keep doing that pattern until you get to the end. Like that. That will be your sketch for it. Then the next thing you'll do will be to get your colors. So first one will be black for the outlining. I think I'm going to fast forward to it right now. Then I'll tell you guys what to do next. Okay, I outlined, and this is what it looks like. Fun fact: if you're fishing in like the flat or in like a river, and if you see an orange tail with like a dot on it or like a spot, a black spot, then that's how you know it's a redfish. And the spots are all different on all redfish. Okay, the colors you'll need for this is gonna be a yellowish orange color, an orange, and a lighter orange. Then you'll need a blue. These will be all your colors. Now let's get into this coloring. Alright people, this is what your tailing redfish should look like. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And also put on notifications so you know when I drop a new video like this. Alright guys, so this is what it should look like at the end when you're done. I hope you guys I hope you guys liked this video. See you guys in the next one.